morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. So today I'm going to be taking you on my day, another little vlog. I hope you all enjoy this vlog. I don't have long to chat right now. I've just got ready, I've just dry shampooed my hair. I'm going to have a shower when I get back. But I'm going to be going to a car boot sale in about a minute. So I do not have time to chat right now, but I hope you all enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content just like this. And let's get started. So we have now arrived. We are at a car boot sale in Wigginton, and I've never been to this one before, but I actually really like it. It's got quite big, it's got quite a few things that are actually really cheap here, so it's quite nice. The next car boot we're going to go to is the Weatherby one before we go home. It's not as easy to kind of vlog here because I want to be more in the moment and kind of just enjoy it, and it is so warm right now. Like I'm in this car and it feels like a sauna. It's literally so hot right now. So I'm really excited to go to the next one, and I haven't been car booting in literally so long. I'm just in between car boot sales. We've just been to one and now we're going to the other one. I'm just getting some money out first. So I've just got my money out of the cash point, and now I'm waiting in line to actually go in to get my dad a drink because he's thirsty. But we are on our way to the next car boot sale, which is the Weatherby one, and I haven't been there in so long. It'll be really nice to go back again. I used to go here literally all the time, every single week, so it'd be nice to go back. We used to do sales on them, so that was quite good. But as I said, we haven't been for ages, so it'll be really nice to actually have a little wander around and just have a nice chillax day too, really. It's actually so nice and cool in here. I'm really enjoying it, but I don't have long, so I'm just having a quick look to just get my dad a couple of drinks because it's just so hot outside at the moment. So it's really sunny, so I can't really see that well, but I've just been to a stall and they actually had quite a lot of Revolution bits, which was quite nice. So I did pick up quite a lot of bits from there, and I just can't stop spending money. I spent so much money. We've got like 3 bags full of things, and this is why I needed to stop doing car boot sales, because I just spend way too much money that I like otherwise wouldn't have spent. But it's really nice spending like quality time with my dad again and just kind of enjoying it, getting some nice fresh air, kind of away from all the technology, just spending some time outside, some quality time together. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting very hungry now, so I'm gonna have to start thinking about lunch. We went past the McDonald's, but it was still breakfast because it's only 11 o'clock now. We did set off at about 7 AM this morning, so yeah, I'm gonna probably finish the last couple of rows here, and then we're gonna have a look for something to eat. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have. Maybe some Cornish pasties. I haven't had them in forever, or maybe just be basic and have pasta again. But we'll have to see. So I'm now back home. We've just got in and it is 12 o'clock. So it took about 5 hours, but we bought a lot of stuff. When I say a lot of stuff, I mean a lot of stuff. So I'm actually quite happy with what we got. So I was actually going to do a mini haul on this video, but because I bought so much stuff, I'm just going to do an actual like proper haul on my main channel. So make sure you do go over and drop a little sub on there if you haven't already, because that video will be coming soon. So we've got a house doing in 4 hours, so I'm going to go and I'm going to stream for about an hour and a half, say hi to some people, and then what I'm probably going to do after that is I'm probably going to maybe get a little bit of editing done. We do need to take the dogs out as well, but for now it's going to be lunch and broadcasting. So this is my lunch that my mum kindly made for me while I was travelling back home. I've got some tomatoes, which I did pick up from the boot sale. I've got quite a lot of sweet corn, which is so good, especially when you keep it in the fridge beforehand. I've got pet shop pork, which I haven't actually had in so long. It's got all the jelly on it as well, so I'm so excited for that. Then I've got some lettuce. This one was actually home grown by my mum at her allotment, so I'm really excited to try it. Then finally I've got cucumber over here, which cucumber is one of my favourite things and it's super healthy. So I've now finished with my stream, which was really fun, and I just enjoy being able to like catch up with people. I feel like I haven't talked to that many people for a while now. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of tidying with my room because my bed's not fully made. I've got quite a lot of like makeup and clothes off there from the last video that I filmed, which was my morph video actually. I've got quite a few bits from the cat boot that I'm going to use in a video, so I'm very excited. Did get some amazing deals. Like I got some Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes for £1, which I thought was really really good. And they do look so pretty, so I'm so excited to try them all out. But yes, my room does need tidying, all that needs moving. I've still got all my uni stuff set up as well, but we've got people coming in an hour to come view the house, so I'm quite excited really. So yeah, I just need to get a lot of tidying done, so that's gonna be like the next 10 minutes. And then I'm actually probably gonna have to have some tea because I haven't eaten anything since my salad, which was very nice, but it's now all gone. I'm just gonna get a little blitz of tidying done, and we'll probably need to take the dog soon too. So my room is now complete and tidy. The bed looks a little bit messy, but I think it's 'cause I've got so many like cushions and things on it. But my room is just now ready. I do need to put all my big lights on, but they will be here very soon. I want to get these on, but the lights in here need a new battery, which is actually really annoying. I do need to feed my fish and put the fish food away before we go. But yeah, my room is now complete, and I've been cleaning this, but it's the most difficult thing on the planet to actually clean, because like you get all the fingerprints on the black bit and they do not come off. It is a nightmare. But yes, we don't have very long now until the people actually come, so I'm just gonna like go around and do like little extra bits, like maybe clean this mirror over here because it definitely does need cleaning. Maybe look at the taps, make sure they're all nice and clean, and just do any of the last finishing bits. Walk somewhere that's a little bit less sunny so we can actually see. You can hear my dog playing with his boy. He's having the best time. I've got some footage of him being the cutest thing ever. Okay, I like the light. I'm gonna stay here. So we're now on the field with the dogs. I have left my house. The people are now at the viewing, so that's quite exciting, kind of nerve-wracking. We're gonna be out here for the next like half an hour. The dogs will have a really good time. You can see Benji there just kind of laying down, and Bear is like playing with his ball. I'm now really hungry. I have no idea what I'm going to have for tea, but I'm absolutely starving at the moment. I feel like I've had quite a productive afternoon, if I'm honest. I've done quite a lot. It's currently about 4 o'clock, I think, maybe 4:30. So I feel like I've had quite a productive day. I've still got quite a few things to do yet. I've got a lot of editing to do later on. But it's so nice and it's really sunny. Today it's literally so shiny, I cannot even see. I'm such a big fan of it. Apparently it's supposed to get like rainy and not very nice weather soon, so I'm just going to embrace this and enjoy it for as long as I can. But I might actually take a few photos for Instagram out here because it looks so pretty and so nice. There's actually so many daisies right now, it's actually kind of crazy. And my shoes are also gone completely yellow. Let's get back into the light. And my shoes have now gone completely yellow from the pollen. I'll actually show you because like slip-ons. So if you can see, you can't really see it as well on camera, but I've got a lot of yellow all over my shoes from the pollen from the daisies. But yeah, I'm gonna keep walking my dogs for a little bit, maybe take some more photos because it's so pretty out here. And then I'm probably gonna get something to eat because I'm just so hungry. I'm now at my mum's allotment and the sun is shining. It's so nice. We're just getting a little bit of watering done because otherwise these plants are all going to die. But it is literally so warm and sunny and I'm enjoying it so much. We have so much growing right now. We've got some raspberries, we've got corn, we've got apples. We've literally got everything you could even think of. So I've just had a Pizza Hut and it was actually really nice. We got a takeaway one, which actually makes a change because I don't think I've had Pizza Hut in like a year, maybe even longer, and we've just had Domino's because obviously with the pandemic you can't really go out and eat, and we used to eat out at Pizza Hut. Never really had takeaway before, so it was really nice anyway. We had a couple of different pizzas. We had the barbecue Americano one, we had the meat feast one, we shared it between me, my mum and my dad. We had the chicken nugget bites, which were actually really nice, and then we also had the fries. But I ate so much food and it's just so hot right now. Like, still Mackie's boxing back my car, just still an update, but there's also like a tent, loads of shoes, loads of blankets, all those now as well. I did actually drive to Pizza Hut just to get a bit more practicing, because obviously I've only passed like a month ago. I've not had that much chance to actually go out and drive because of the pandemic. So that went really well, and I'm now going to go and drive to Noah's house, but this is probably going to be the end of the video because I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the day and I'm going to get a load of editing done. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's been so fun bringing you on my day. I actually think I've been caught by sun a little, but I'm not going to lie. I'm kind of happy about that though, because it proves it's been so warm. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, do not forget to smash that big thumbs up button. Do leave me a comment down below of any other videos you'd like to watch from me, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content just like this, and I'll be seeing you all next time. Bye.